Are you still struggling to sign PDFs quickly? With PDFSign, you can sign and stamp documents in seconds without printing, scanning, or uploading files online. To start with, click on Signature Stamp Image Mode to enable PDF signing functionality. Next, click on Single File to process one PDF document at a time, or you can select Folder to do batch signing. Click Browse to select the PDF file you want to sign from your computer. Select Sample Report from the file browser to proceed with this example document. After signing is complete, the signed PDF will automatically save as file name signed.pdf in the same folder as your original file. Next, click Browse to select your signature image file that will be applied to the PDF. Choose your signature and stamp images from the file browser to upload them to the application. Choose a predefined position for your signature or click Pick on PDF to place it exactly where you want. Finally, click Apply Signature to add your signature to all pages of the PDF document. Your file has been successfully signed and automatically saved in the same folder as the original document. Open the signed PDF to verify that your signature has been applied across all pages of the document. As you can see, the signature appears consistently on every page, confirming successful application. Your PDF is signed successfully and ready to use, share, or submit in seconds. Download PDF Signer now.